Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Canada Today. Today, we're covering some exciting news that's creating a buzz in Canada. Starlink, the satellite internet service by SpaceX, is set to be integrated into United Airlines. How will this affect travelers, especially those from Canada? Let's dive into the details. Starlink is a satellite internet constellation developed by SpaceX, designed to provide high-speed, low-latency internet across the globe, especially in remote and underserved areas. With a network of satellites in low Earth orbit, Starlink aims to deliver fast and reliable internet to various locations, from rural areas to now, in flight on airplanes. United Airlines has announced that it will be incorporating Starlink's technology into its fleet, marking a significant upgrade in in-flight internet services. This partnership will bring high-speed internet connectivity to passengers, transforming the in-flight experience with more reliable and faster internet compared to traditional satellite systems. For Canadian travelers, this means more reliable internet during flights, which is a game-changer for business travelers, digital nomads, and anyone who needs to stay connected while traveling. The improved connectivity will enhance productivity, entertainment options, and overall comfort for those flying with United Airlines. Starlink's advancements and partnerships are generating significant interest in Canada, where fast and reliable internet is highly valued, especially in remote areas. The integration with United Airlines highlights the growing trend of satellite internet services becoming more mainstream and accessible, aligning with Canada's ongoing push for better connectivity. As Starlink expands its reach, we can expect more airlines and industries to adopt this technology, further improving internet services across different sectors. Keep an eye out for updates on how this technology will continue to evolve and its impact on travel and connectivity in Canada. In summary, Starlink's arrival on United Airlines represents a significant leap forward in in-flight internet technology. For Canadian travelers, this means faster and more reliable connectivity during flights, enhancing the overall travel experience. What are your thoughts on Starlink coming to United Airlines? Are you excited about the improved in-flight internet? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with all the latest trends and news on Canada Today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned with Canada Today for the latest updates and trends affecting Canadians. See you next time.